In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app, and before recording, hitting allow and agree in all available pop-ups if you never used Recorder before. Now you can click on this gear on the left and manage all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, go back and click on this red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now to access your recording, you need to turn off Recorder and click on this button with 3 lines at the bottom right corner. Now to play it, click on it. And to manage it, go back and hold it. Then use all of those options at the top right corner. Click on this icon to share it. Those 3 dots to manage options from the pop-up like rename or set as ringtone. And to get rid of it, use bin icon. Then select allow in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!